Welcome everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show auto rotate screen or enable auto rotation on Neo 7X. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.